Vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is crucial if you want your air conditioner to run smooth without any hiccups, especially when dealing with R410A systems. So, first off, when you're vacuuming a mini split, make sure you connect your vacuum pump properly to the service ports and run it long enough to pull out all the air and moisture, usually at least 30 minutes. Next, you gotta check for leaks before adding any refrigerant. A little leak can mess everything up. When it's time to charge with R410A, remember this blend only works right if you add the refrigerant as a liquid, not gas. To do that, flip your refrigerant bottle upside down so liquid, not vapor, comes out. Always double check the scale to measure the exact amount you need because overcharging or undercharging will kill your system's efficiency. Also, keep an eye on your pressure gauges to match the manufacturer's specs during charging. Once done, close the valves tight and monitor how the system cools to ensure it's working like a charm. Lastly, don't rush. Taking your time means less chance of screwing up and more comfort in your home. One of the biggest mistakes people make with mini split refrigerant charging is adding R410A as a gas instead of liquid, which causes fractionation and ruins the blend's balance. Fix this by always charging with the bottle upside down. Another common issue is not pulling a deep enough vacuum, leaving moisture in the system. To avoid this, run your vacuum pump longer until gauges show a stable low pressure. The third problem is guessing the refrigerant amount instead of measuring precisely. Using a scale and following manufacturer guidelines will save you from costly overcharge or undercharge headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a handy spot where homeowners can easily find trusted local contractors for their HVAC and other home improvement needs. It also helps contractors connect with more clients and grow their business without the usual hassle.